we shouldn't forget. Our world is changing at a fast pace. The solution to this we have got to give. Endangered species are extinct and temperatures are rising every day. Rivers are becoming desert valleys, but this shouldn't lead us into dismay. The ice caps are melting down, causing the sea levels higher. But the dissipation patterns are changing, making the deserts even drier. God gave us the sacred place, and we should not take it for granted. But we have no space left, and the earth we know will fail to exist. But it is never too late to open your eyes. It is never too late to realize. It is never too late to save a life. So what else are you waiting for? Thank you.
Yes, we will have lemonade, but no straws, please.
I would like to find out for water bottles, please.
Sure, ma'am. But Mom, I can refill my reusable bottle.
Oh, it's okay. This is cheap and easy. We can just use and throw.
Mom, I love you, but I am another mother. My mother nature. I love her too. I don't think she will like it if we keep abusing her resources.
Be the change you want to see. सेवा करना मैंने माँ से भी सीखा ममता से एक करती है दोस्ता से मेहनत करती है बैठी है सागर में करती है शाम देती है में करती है ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बदमाशी करती है ये कोई नहीं कर सकता बदमाशी करती है सबकी माँ है जो क्या करे मेरी शादी दरिया बनी और हरी हवा
We love our Mother Nature and will protect her in every way. We make plastic. We buy plastic.
We use plastic.
And we have to stop. If you cannot reuse it, refuse it. Today, we are taking an oath not to pollute this earth. Are you with us?
A. Freeze. R. Freeze. T. Freeze. A. Let's see what we can do. Sing that for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Sing that for me and you.
And deliver today's message about my planet and my responsibilities very clearly by the mime, dance and action songs, speech and poem. Thank you, dear students.
The aspect of today's assembly is protecting our planet by taking up the important responsibilities such as keep our environment clean, not polluting land and water.
And some of the examples they can display that are not using the plastics, not throwing the plastics on the land and water, and also reduce using the vehicles which are run by the fossil fuels.
Protecting our natural resources, for example, not cutting down the trees, but further planting more trees.
All this in such a way, all this message had been delivered to your fifth standard students was awesome. And also, dear students, today's assembly gives us the important message that is, if we follow all these responsibilities, we can also save our plants and also not only saving our planet and also save ourselves and our future generations from poverty, diseases and disaster due to the climatic conditions, etc. So, my dear students, let's take up all these responsibilities into our hearts and follow it forever in our life. Thank you.
As we come to the end of this meaningful program on my planet, my responsibility, it is time to express our gratitude. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our principal for giving us the opportunity to organize to participate in this inspiring event. Your constant support and encouragement motivate us to strive for excellence. A big thanks to our teachers for their dedication and guidance. Your efforts in training and preparing us made this program a success. I would also like to appreciate my classmates for their cooperation, creativity and enthusiasm. Throughout the event, your teamwork made this program truly special. Finally, a sincere thanks to everyone present here for your attention and support. Let us take the message of today's program to heart and work together to protect our planet. Thank you. As we close this assembly, let us remember that every small action counts. Whether it's throwing trash in the right place, planting a tree, or using less plastic, we all have a role to play. Let's make a promise today.